Good afternoon and welcome to the spring meet of the Corvette Expo. We came out here for the fall meet a few months ago and did the Dragon Cruise and everything, but now it's time to come back for the spring meet here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Really nice day. Got to take the tops off, so we're gonna go in here and check out and see what kind of cars are in the building. This spring meet has a very different vibe from the fall meet. Oddly enough, even though it's spring, this one's almost completely inside, or at least all the stuff that you want to see is. We're gonna walk around in here in the LeConte Center and see what we can't find. Still have all the same piles of parts and crap that they had at the fall meet though. You could basically come here and build yourself a whole Corvette from the ground up with nothing to start with. This is more the kind of stuff that I was looking for. Looks like these people know how to have some fun. Something tells me that this Corvette has never actually seen a drag strip. Certainly a very different experience from the fall meet. Everything's on pavement and there's no nice trees or grass around or anything, and there's no dragon run to look forward to either, so it kind of makes this whole thing harder. But we're going to continue walking around and see what kind of cars we can find. Now ladies and gentlemen, we have come upon a super rare sight. Any of you true Corvette fans will know immediately what I'm talking about when I say the words Callaway Aero Wagon.
Good rain washes all the salt off.
Blaze it.
His secretary, I said, would you make me a number? And I said, just pick a high number. And so she picked 420. Well, about a week later after I got it, our club participated in a Mardi Gras parade. I had this hat that says, I got beer. And then I had 420 on the side. So we're going through the parade and all the younger ones are saying, yeah, man, come on. And all the old dudes, yeah, I'll take a beer.
Man, that's the heaviest shit I ever smoked.
So I'm walking around here in the parking lot and I met a loyal subscriber, so we're going to check out his Zo6 with a bottle in it.
This car is actually, it's a 09, and it's a base model car.
Oh wow, you
yeah,
got me.
It's a base, yeah. So it's got the quarters and the fenders and stuff on it. It's got an LS7 in it, crate motor, APC racing brakes. It's got a 0-1 transmission in it. It's set up pretty good. About 800 at the wheels, well over 800 at the wheels. I just got the nano system put on there.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, what the nano does is it forces you to either use air or nitrogen. So these bottles are at 3,000 psi, and they basically push the nitrous in the other bottles. So it'll keep your nitrous pressure at 900 to 1,000 pounds consistent, clear to your last pound of nitrous. There's no drop off at all, and actually you get about 25 to 30 more horsepower per pill. So if you're running a 200 shot, you get about 230 shot out of it.
If you wanna go into the ride with me, with it in the fall, with the Zo6 Corvette, do I live this way? Hey, must be the money!
If you wanna go and take a ride with me, with it in the fall with the Zo6 Corvette, do I live this way?
Ladies and gentlemen, we've had a blast here at the Corvette Expo. Thank you so much for watching. Please go down there and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.